Hello Warrior parents and students. I wanted to do a quick video to show you how you get into your Google Meets with your teacher this week. If you are doing learning from home, they are going to have some class times for instruction for those of you who will be at home this week. So it is very, very easy. If you've already gotten into your Google Classroom, you probably have whatever class you're in that looks like this. So right now we're going to go into Miss Franco's class. Okay, so once you come into your classroom, you see up here it has Miss Franco's K1 class and the code, and right under that it has the meeting link and this little bubble here with a camera in it. So you just click anywhere here and that is going to take you right to the meeting location where she will be set up. So when you get in, it's going to look like this. My camera is saying that it failed because it's recording this instructional video that I'm making right now. So if your camera is working, it will show a preview of what you're going to look like on camera here. You could turn your camera on and off here. This is to turn your microphone on and off. And whenever you're ready, let me make sure you see these three dots here mean that your microphone is working. As you can see, as I speak, they move. That means the microphone is catching my voice. So if you're speaking and it's not moving here, then you may have a problem with your microphone. Okay, so you just, once you're ready to join, it says present or join now. If you hit present, that is going to share your screen with everybody. So unless you're going to teach something, you probably don't want to do that. So just click on join now, and then it will take you into the meeting. Okay, it's giving you an option box there. Well, it's giving me that option box probably because I'm the administrative user of this platform, but it probably won't give you that option to invite people. Just a quick reminder that every teacher is going to have their own meeting space. So you want to make sure, those of you guys who are in middle school and have Miss Cruz, Miss Rickner, and possibly me for math, that if you are logging in at my time for math, you're logging in through my math class. Don't go in through Miss Cruz's or through Miss Rickner's, because that's going to take you to their classroom and I won't be there. I'll be in my classroom. Okay, same thing though, just whatever teacher you're going to, it's this link down here. You just click on that and it'll take you right into the meeting anytime. If you haven't got a Chromebook or if you need help with anything, make sure you contact the school. We're getting close to closing time here on Friday, so we won't be here in the office, but you can always message us through Facebook or email us. My email is brunson@stoacs.education, or you can email us through GradeLink as well. If you log into GradeLink, it should give you the option to email us. All right, everybody have a very good weekend, and we hope to see everyone really soon.